Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a comb duck push spin. So, without further ado, it looks like this. Goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So let's break it down. We start off right to right, standard right-handed comb. So we go semicircle back. We're doing the return. The hand is dipping just a little. Good idea under normal circumstances to pop the hand on the hip, but we're going to assume you don't really need that at this stage. We're going to take the right hand over the guy, and guys, with a little twist to the right, we're ready to take a sweep to the left. So what's going to happen is we comb, release, drop in the arms, we roll the head underneath the lady's arm, and we're trying to do that without her having to lift it at all for us to get the space. So ladies, stay strong, keep the elbow down, keep the arm straight. You'll be tempted to do this because you think the guy's not going to make it, but he's got to get the head under whilst keeping the shoulders up. That right arm's going to come up, guys, and we're going to place our forearm against the lady's forearm and just twist back to the right, pushes the lady off into a return spin, catch and step back. Let's do that again from the other side. So we go right to right, semicircle back, 1, return, 2, comb with a twist to the right, 3, sweeping through, rolling the head underneath, 4, bringing the arms up and pushing the lady into the spin, 5, and catch, 6. So let's try it to a slow count. Here we go. 5, a 6, comb duck, push spin. We go a back, return, comb, duck, spin and catch, and that's it. Simple as that. Hope you've enjoyed it. Remember, like, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end, and as always, thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.